Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix OBS Game Capture not working in Valorant. This is a common issue many streamers face, but the solution is actually pretty straightforward. First, you need to launch the Valorant application. Once you're inside the game, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to go to Settings. Click on Settings. Now click on the video from the top of the screen, which is between crosshair and audio. Now find the display mode option, which is in the top. Click on the drop-down menu and make sure that it's set to windowed full screen. Click on apply to save your changes. And after that, you need to go ahead and configure the OBS Game Capture. So open your OBS. In the sources section, click on the plus icon from the bottom. Now select Game Capture. A new window will appear. You can leave the default name or change it and then click on OK. Once done, you'll be taken to the Game Capture properties. Now in the mode, click on this drop-down menu and select Capture a specific window. Select Valorant from the list of the available windows and click on OK to finalize these settings. OBS should now be properly capturing your Valorant gameplay. It can resize Game Capture in OBS if needed. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the OBS Game Capture issue with Valorant by switching to windowed full screen mode and configuring to a specific window capture in OBS. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.